Hello guys, this video is about the iOS app itself, Mozappic. What I use for this video is a new account created and validated on Mozappic.fun, a 6th generation iPad with iOS 13.2. The iPad is connected to the AirConf Wi-Fi, and the AirConf is connected to internet, as you can see here. And then finally, a DNP DS620 printer with a 6x8 media in order to print a 6x6 and connected to the AirConf via its USB. If you want, you can deactivate the 4x6, the 2x2x6 and the 6x8 as we are actually going to use the 6x6 format only. Preamble. How to use Mozappic. Note that I will use it as a first-time user. It will automatically ask for your credentials, which are the same as Mozappic.fun. And if you haven't registered, you can still create your account from the app. But then you still need to validate your account via your email inbox. Enter your email and password. Part 1. This is the settings window. You can find on the left side all your activated events and your completed events. But as this is a new account, you need to hit the refresh button in order to get your events. In our case, this is the first example that we have that is free, that is allowed to create and to use when you register a new account. On the right side, you have the logout button, a switch to define that we want to use the front camera, else it's the back camera. In the Mosaic infos, you have the total tiles that is going to require and the total tiles used. When the total tile used and the total tiles are equals, that's when the button export is coming handy. It's after the event, and then you can export all the pictures and the merge tiles and send them to your client. In the Mosaic options, you have a switch to enable the printing or not. Today's case we are going to print and select the printer. As we saw before, I disabled all the formats except the 6x6 on the DNP DS620, and I'm going to select it. A slide to determine which size you want to print the alpha location. A field if you want to prepend some text to the alpha location. A switch to activate the process of sending the merge tile to our server or to the AirConf for slideshow. Note that when you send to our server, it has two purposes. The slideshow and our server can reconstruct your final mosaic. If you're connected to an AirConf that doesn't have the slideshow option, the start button will not be enabled. If you activated your printer but didn't select which one you want to use, you will have a pop-up asking you to choose which printer to use. So let's start the event. This is the shot window. It's a very simple window, only one button available to the public, which is the camera button. If you want to come back on the settings window, you need to tap on the top left, like this. A passcode window will appear. The default passcode is 123456. Let's start the event again. The hidden functions. In order to display them, you need to tap 4 times on the bottom left side. The field to use to a specific location is for you if you want to use a location manually. The reprint field allows you to reprint a missing tile if a guest left with it instead of sticking. And finally, on the right side, you have a number, which is actually the number of tiles remaining. So now let's take a picture. This is the preview window. Right after taking your pictures from the shot window, the window pops up and you have 30 seconds to either reject or accept this photo. If nothing happens during this 30 seconds, it will automatically accept the picture. For the purpose, let's take a picture. Okay, I prefer this one better. Let's validate. I think you can hear the printer. And here we are. You have the picture, the alpha location here. And that's it.